Did you know that you take about 20,000 breaths every single day? And yeah, most of the time, we don't give it a second thought. But what if I told you that by simply changing how you breathe, you could unlock this profound, science-backed tool for better health? Well, today, that's exactly what we're going to do. We're unlocking the hidden power of your breath, and trust me, it's way simpler than you think.
No, really. Think about it. What if one of the most powerful things you could do for your well-being isn't some new diet or a complicated workout, but something you've been doing your entire life? Just maybe, not in the most optimal way. Let's find out.
So, it all starts with our default breathing style. The way we breathe when we're not even paying attention. And it turns out, this little unconscious habit is way more important for our health than most of us ever realize.
Think of it like putting your body's engine into idle gear. When we consistently breathe through our nose, we're sending this powerful signal to our nervous system that says, hey, it's safe to relax. This flips the switch on what's known as the rest, digest, and heal zone. In this state, it isn't just about feeling calm, it's absolutely crucial for our long-term health. And get this, it even helps optimize our T-cell immunity. Those are the special cells that hunt down viruses and even cancer cells.
Okay, so what is the big deal about breathing through your nose versus your mouth? I mean, it seems like such a small thing, right? Well, scientifically, it's a world of difference. Let's pull back the curtain and see what's actually happening inside our bodies with each breath.
So check this out. This slide lays it all out, super clear. On one side, you've got nostril breathing. It's this sophisticated system that preps the air, creates these amazing molecules, and just calms our entire system down. And on the other side, mouth breathing. It's basically a bypass route that can actually put our body on high alert. I mean, just look at this complex system. Your nose isn't just a simple passageway. It's a high-tech, built-in air purifier. Before air even gets close to your lungs, all these internal structures warm it up, moisturize it, and filter out all the gunk like dust and germs. Mouth breathing, it just skips this whole critical first line of defense.
And maybe one of the coolest benefits of nose breathing is the production of this incredible molecule, nitrous oxide. And no, not the stuff from race cars. This is a signaling molecule your body makes naturally when you breathe through your nose. It's a vasodilator, which is just a fancy way of saying it relaxes the smooth muscles in your airways, your gut, and your blood vessels. So what does that mean for you? Easier breathing, better digestion, and even lower blood pressure, all from just breathing through your nose. Amazing, right?
And it doesn't stop there. Nasal breathing also stimulates the vagus nerve. You can think of this nerve as the main highway for your parasympathetic nervous system. That's the official name for that rest, digest, and heal mode we've been talking about. So by stimulating this nerve, you're actively telling your body to calm down, repair itself, and save energy.
Okay, I know what you might be thinking. When you breathe through your mouth, it feels like you're gulping in a ton of air. So more air has to mean more oxygen for your body, right? It makes sense, but it's actually one of the biggest misconceptions out there. And this chart shows that your feeling is right. It's true. Mouth breathing moves way more air, about 50% more. But here's the paradox, the crazy part. Moving more air doesn't mean your body gets more oxygen. In fact, it's a way less efficient way to breathe. And here it is, the big aha moment. This over-breathing through your mouth makes you exhale way too much carbon dioxide. Now, we usually think of CO2 as just a waste product, right? But it's actually critical. Your hemoglobin, that's the protein in your red blood cells carrying all the oxygen, it needs a certain amount of CO2 around to let go of the oxygen and deliver it to your muscles and organs. So if you blow off too much CO2, the oxygen just stays stuck to the hemoglobin. It never gets where it needs to go. It's exactly why hyperventilating can make you feel dizzy or even pass out. Phew, okay, so now that we get the science, let's get practical. How can you actually start making this simple, powerful change? We are going to walk through a practice you can start using right now to feel these benefits for yourself.
It all starts right here. Super simple. First, if you need to, gently clear your nose. Step 2, close your mouth. Step 3, a little tiny smile. This helps to relax your jaw. And you'd be surprised how much tension we hold there. And finally, the mantra, just stay in your nose. Try to make this your default as much as you can. And to really feel the difference, let's actually do a quick exercise together, right now. It's called box breathing. It's a technique used by everyone from Navy SEALs to surgeons to stay calm under pressure. So wherever you are, just get comfortable and follow my voice. We'll do one full round together.
All right, let's begin. Gently close your mouth. And now, a slow, quiet inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now, a gentle, relaxed hold at the top. No tension, just a soft pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And now a slow, smooth exhale back out through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And finally, a gentle pause at the bottom. Just rest in that stillness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now just let your breath come back to normal and just take a second to notice. How do you feel? That little bit of calm, that centered feeling, that's the power of your breath, and you can tap into it anytime you want. Now, if that short exercise sparked your curiosity, you might be wondering, okay, what's next? For anyone who wants to go deeper, we wanted to highlight the fantastic work of health coach Rod Francis. He's created some really specific programs to help people use breathwork on their healing journey.
His programs really build on these principles we've talked about. You can see he has practices designed to help you increase calm, de-stress, and even work with those tricky, looping thought patterns. They're just a really fantastic resource for anyone looking to take the next step.
So, if you take just one thing away from all of this today, let it be this simple but powerful instruction. The next time you feel stressed or overwhelmed, or you just want to feel a little more grounded, remember this. Smile and stay in your nose. You might just be surprised at the difference it makes.